How to restore permanently deleted Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So when you permanently delete your Instagram account, you still have 30 days to restore. If that crosses as well, you can simply launch the Chrome browser on your device. As you launch the Chrome browser, tap on the search bar over here, and as you tap on the search bar, you simply need to tap over here and search for Instagram support. So this will take you to Instagram Help Center. So tap on the very first option that pops up. As you do that, here you can see the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. So just tap on it and tap on Manage Your Account. Here tap on Signing Up and Getting Started. As you do that, scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of Was this helpful? So just tap on No and then tap on The solution does not work. So here, what you simply need to do is tap on the message box, and you just have to mention your issue to your Instagram support team that you would want to restore your permanently deleted Instagram account. So you just need to mention your username and email ID that you have associated with your Instagram account so that you get any updates, and then tap on submit, and the Instagram support team will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.